You can have it. Go for it.
Got a fish on.
We started an evening anchor bite here. And once again, I'm with Realistic Fishing and Joe from Catfish Fishing.
Yeah, man, it's all you, brother.
We were actually reeling up to move.
It's a small one, I think.
It's a fish though, that's always good. Nice cooler air now in the evening too.
I can find the clippers here.
Spinning, spinning.
It's probably 5 pounds. Yep. Cool, man. I'll take this from you.
Yeah! Gotta be like Michael Iaconelli. Okay.
First fish off anchor, guys. Let's go and release him. It's a nice one. This leech is all over. There he goes, back to the depths. Nice.
Awesome.
All right, now.
Good timing on that one.
I told you, that's why I always tell people, I was like, I'd rather reel them in individually just because one can go down like that one did, you know?
Yep. And that's a good start for part 2. And we're going to try another spot. Maybe. No. Yes.
Yes, no.
Oh, this might be bigger than small.
Alright, got some anchored up action going.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got.
I know you guys might not be able to see this too well, but I got a fish on. I really can't tell if he's big or small.
Hooked up.
It's acting like it's like stuck on something.
You snagged?
Yeah. Yeah, I think he's snagged on something.
Go and just keep reeling on him, man. Keep reeling on him, Billy. Seriously. You snagged?
Yeah. I think he took me under a snag. Oh well.
Well,
I could just free line it for a second, see if he will come out as snag.
keep in the rod holder.
Yeah. Okay, I'll let this free line for a little bit and see if it will come out of the snag.
Sure.
So we just pulled up anchor and yeah, we're calling it tonight. It's been an incredible day. Be sure to check out the iCards. I will have Realistic Fishing and Catfish Fishing on the iCard list. Be sure to subscribe to their channels. And thank you for watching. I am falling asleep.